Hello everyone, this is Ashi. What will you do in this situation if you resign from a job, you don't have any other offer? You started preparing for a job switch, and in the meantime, you wanted to go home to spend time with your parents, mother and father, and family, and you went home planning so much, and then you realize that there isn't something unplanned, unexpected will happen to you. Your one of the parents passes away, they die, and you don't have anything. Like you can't tell your parents, your family that you are not having any job, and you came to spend time with them, and this happened. Now you don't have anyone, uh, and then you realize you spend your time there for some time. You didn't even get the time to process things. You came back because you didn't have a job, so you wanted to get a job first, and you can't even tell your family because there is much bigger thing for them to handle right now, and this thing, if you tell them, it will burden them, so you can't tell that. And you came back to your own place where you were staying, where you had a job, and you realize the apartment you are staying in, you can't stay there because there is a big crack in the building, and you have to immediately vacate that. And you don't know anyone in the big city, the unknown city, the new city where you used to live in. And then somehow you manage a stay for temporary basis, which again costed you some more time, and that delayed for you to get a job. The your savings are going away. You're going up with the money which you had, and then somehow you get a job, all of this in a very short duration, like 2 3 months itself. So what will you do in this situation? This happened with me last year, um, in February, and I resigned from my job. I prepared for 1 month for my job switch. I gave interviews and all, and I was waiting for results. And I went to home to spend time with my family. And then in the same time, my mother passed away. I didn't had the time to process those things, but somehow I managed there. I can't tell my family that I resigned from a job. I don't have a job right now, and I came to spend time with them, and I can't do that. Family situation is weird right now. Everyone is deeply traumatized with the incident happened suddenly, and I had to come back because I had told them I have taken break. I have taken leaves from my office, and I came here to spend time with them. And then I came back to my original place where I'm staying, and I realized that I can't stay in the building because there is a big crack in the building, and I had to immediately find a temporary stay, and I somehow managed there, which costed me more time. And then I took the offer which I had, and then all of this in such a short duration. Um, I managed this somehow, but I don't know what it costed me. I recently diagnosed with PCOS with early symptoms, and I have a lot of weight increase because of this. Um, I didn't got the time to manage all those things which happened with me, and I had to process. So my body took it on itself, and it shows on the later side all those things. Um, yeah, this is it. Sometimes life gives you these things also, and you have to manage. um, but you have to stay strong because people are dependent on you, and you can't be weak in that moment. um, and you can't rely on anyone because you yourself are your own support system, so you can't rely on anyone. Let me know what you think of this. What will you do in that situation? uh, Let me know. Thank you.